Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OTLK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. A whole lot more of price action and then volume on the day. So the first thing, though, is just some house cleaning. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines here. Sure, these levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward in the next week, if the price can stay up above that $1.80-ish area, that would certainly be a massive sign of power. Now, with that being said, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above it, that would certainly be an impressive sign of strength. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.80 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In the near term, that initial level is going to be that former area of support that was doing a great job holding essentially all day long. That's right there at $2.20. If the price can push up through $2.20, next key level after that would be right up there around $2.50, and then you can start to turn your attention back to up above the 260 area. But no point right now in talking about 260 and above until the price can first prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote prove itself, I'm defining as first getting up above 220, and then you can see how the price reacts around the 250 mark. All in all, though, another very nice day, and I'm sure there's going to be plenty of eyeballs on this one next week too. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.